61 Galaxie. Such a pretty car. I'm not a Ford guy, but this car's really cool. Customer came to us a while back and he was having some issues getting this thing running right. He had a motor built. He was messing around with a 3-carb setup. It wasn't really working for him. This guy wrenches on his own stuff mostly. He primarily, I think he built the whole car pretty much. He came in and we addressed his issues. And of course, when I take people in, I want customers, not jobs. So I was like, look, let's do an inspection on this thing, because primarily self-built, we're professionals. We'll take a look at everything. We'll get real good eyes on this, and then we'll let you know what needs to be done. Whether we do it or you do it, I don't care. I want to keep you safe. I want to keep, your experience of owning a classic car awesome. We did that. We found a handful of things. We did get it running right. And guy picked up and I'm like, hey, here's our kind of run through of our inspection. We found a few things. There's some stuff with the suspension. You're like completely missing a shock bushing. Your ball joints are bad. This, that, the other little thing. The electrical system, not great on this car. I'd really recommend a full rewire so that you could, not die a death by 1,000 cuts and have like one little thing go and then we got to fix that. And then one little thing go and we got to fix that. Like, let's do it all. This is a car from 61. The wiring is way older than me and I'm an old man. So he picked up, super happy with the way the car ran instantly. He was like, oh my God, this is great. Drives home. He, goes and runs a few errands. 3 hours later, I hear car pull up. I'm like, oh shit, what do we do? Is he like upset? Blah, blah, blah. He's like, man, I just gotta tell you, this car runs so good. This is amazing. I'm super happy. That other stuff you talked about, sign me up. Let's go through it. I'm gonna approve the estimate right now. Let's get it scheduled in. So perfect example of do good things for a customer and they come back. So what we're doing this time is we're gonna address some suspension issues, a few other things. We're gonna completely rewire the car end to end. And part of the reason why I told him we wanted to do this is a lot of this wiring in here is original, the bulkhead's original, a lot of the wires are pretty crusty and kind of cracking. He's got new stuff on old stuff. He's got this convoluted tubing everywhere, this plastic wire jacket, which I hate. It's horrible. We use the really nice braided, Tech Flex stuff. It's just kind of a mess in here too, and he's got a pretty engine. We can make it look really good by hiding a lot of this stuff and getting it, down low and behind things. Remount some of these components and really clean up this engine bay and give it that, I like to call it my jewel in a box effect, right? We want it to be like when your girl opens up that box with a ring in it, you see the pretty thing and not all this garbage around it. So we're gonna do some rewiring, we're gonna do some suspension work, and of course, he had to wait like 3 weeks to get back in. He showed up and he's like, I want to do this, I want to do that. So he added like 10 things. So I had to hurry up and write down a list as he's talking. So we're going to paint his wheels, a couple other things he had on his list, but really nice car, good customer, totally stoked to be doing it.